PC, I've been developing a recipe for 9 years.
Wow. Okay.
I'm so incredibly excited to share with you.
Yeah, man.
Now I gotta warn the viewers. It's in depth, but it is spectacular. Would you like to hear about it?
Yeah.
All right, let me share it with you.
Is that a theremin?
Listen.
Yo, gather round as we brew this old school potion. The chaos cauldron that's causing commotion. 3-5 pounds of wildflower honey is the base. Adding 4 ounces of molasses, give it some grace. A pound of frozen blueberries to bring that sweet vibe. Mango chunks in the mix, keeping it live. Lemon slice with the peel, we keep it raw. Smoked chili pepper, adding heat to the paw. A cinnamon stick for the old school groove. Half a vanilla bean split, getting smooth. Lavender, a teaspoon in the mix. Staying chill, 2 chunks of fresh ginger for that spicy thrill. Half pound pineapples frozen like a cool breeze. Zest of an orange, flavor that'll please. Toasted coconut flakes, 2 ounces strong. Crushed cacao nibs, yo, we're almost done.
Did you just dump out your ingredients drawer for this?
That's what it means. Years of recipe development has culminated to what's called the
Accumulated, you mean?
what's called the Chaos Cauldron.
Okay.
And I would like for you to be the first one to ever taste it.
I'm excited.
I sure hope you are, because you're the first one that's ever tried this. So let's discover the this one got a little schmutz in it. I'm just gonna take the schmutzy one.
I mean, the schmutz is part of the chaos, though, right? Okay.
So let me know what you think. Let me know.
So this is a mead
You got all the ingredients right there.
with verse.
Yeah. I figured I'd spice it up.
I mean, you are well versed in mead. This smells like chocolate.
Yeah, what are you getting? What are you picking up on the nose here?
All right, hold on. I inhaled too deeply.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I know that it's just all the things that are in here, but it really smells funky.
Yeah, well, it's got a character, to say the least.
Yeah, there's chocolate and acid, which are interesting things to come out together.
Chocolate acid is the other name for this one.
Real sharp chocolate. There's like a little coffee note. Warm spice. Fruit. There's fruit underlying all of that. Not cidery though. It's like a juicy juice box.
Yeah. I would say it smells super fruity to me. It definitely has that chocolatey like warmth.
Yeah. It's ringing a lot of different notes.
Shall we try it?
Clearly. Sure. Yeah. Let's.
Here we go.
Need to acclimatize the palate there a little bit. One more.
Just another sip. Just another.
What was the fruit? Was it cherries or blueberries?
Blueberry, mango.
Blueberry, mango.
Those are the main fruits there.
It definitely has a cherry, almost cherry raspberry kind of flavor. And I think the chocolate is what's giving me that. Because I'm like thinking in that world of cherry chocolate. It's pretty good, honestly.
Really?
I don't hate this. I mean, it's not the type of thing where I would like sit down and drink this whole bottle.
No.
But like a snifter, like a brandy glass.
I will say all the spices and things, they do kind of work together between there's ginger and lemon, zest, and just coconut, toasted coconut in there. But I feel like that really doesn't pop. The chocolate pops, the fruit pops.
There's on the exhale. There's a little bit of that coconut, that kind of creamy, milky, tropical
Molasses in here a little bit.
I'm not picking up so much of that. I'm not getting the cinnamon or the ginger so much.
Yeah.
It's kind of like everything's married together. How old is this?
4 months.
Okay, so pretty drinkable for 4 months.
What can I say?
I like it.
Okay. Well, I gotta admit something to you. I have not been developing this recipe for years.
Yep.
You would have known. You would have heard about it. I'm certain at this point. I used our
Had me wondering.
Our AI friends to create. I asked ChatGPT to create insane mead recipe for me, and it
Okay.
spat out this thing called the Chaos Cauldron.
Okay.
And the music was also, thank you AI for that one. That was Suno, if you've ever used that. Basically, you can tell it the style, and then I gave it lyrics, and it spit out that incredible song. And so this is what AI has produced. I followed it to a T.
So now, like, we need to, like,
Yeah.
for the AI
And actually,
thumbnail.
this whole video, what you're seeing now, we're all AI right now.
Yeah, I'm a robot. Sometimes I feel that way. I don't trust AI for much of anything these days, especially recipe development.
Yep.
But I will say that this turned out really nice.
For the amount of, chaos that it is.
I would not necessarily use this as evidence that AI built recipes are a thing yet.
Yeah. No.
However, it's nice. It's nice.
Again, we would not recommend you go and cater all of your recipes based off of AI. However, it was something fun to play with. I figured if I was going to do an AI thing, I was going to do like there's a blueberry mead with AI. It's
Yeah,
like, it would basically just spit out one of our recipes.
You gotta go all in.
So, maybe you go give it a shot. I don't know. It was a silly video, but also a fun test to see where we are now. Maybe a year or two from now, the AI will be even better, and it'll have ripped off all of our recipes and just copy pasted them into its algorithm.
Yeah. If we're not living in the realm of Terminator and the T-800s.
To be determined on the future. But, an AI adventure comes to a close.
Well done, dude. Cheers.
Happy brewing. Cheers.
Beep, bop, boop.